Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the three secrets that will help you to build a profitable online business. These are the three secrets. The number one is your mindset. The second one is what skills you have. The third one is what assets you are going to create with the help of the skills that you have. So these are the three secrets, and what I call this as a influence triangle. So when you fix your mindset that you can do it, you can make money online, you can replace your income what you are generating through your uh, professional or anywhere, you can replace that income easily if you focus on one thing, and you can master and you can be consistent. And when you get that cash flow, you will get confidence. The first thing that you have to aim is you have to make that income, that money what you are going to get through your job or through other things, like that will help you to pay your bills. Suppose you are making some 30,000 or 50,000 or 1 lakh through your day job or through other sources. The first focus is to get that income, and then once you get that income, you can double it or you can triple, or you can 10x that income online, by being consistent and by adding value to your community. So this is the learn, do, teach. Like you learn the skills fast, and you implement that skills and master that skill fast, and you teach the same things to a community. So this is called a golden triangle that I have learned from my mentors. Like when you do this on consistent basis, when you focus on one thing, when you fine tune your mindset, and when you add the value to your community, you are definitely going to make money online by solving people problem. So that's the only thing. Like if you want to make some 3 lakhs per month or 10 lakhs per month, or if you are aiming at bigger thing, that's fine. But the first thing that you have to focus is on getting that money what you are earning on your job, or what you are earning from other sources, or the amount of money that will help you to pay your monthly bills. So if your mindset is very clear, if you focus on one thing, and you continuously add value to your community, definitely you are going to become successful. The second one is what are the key skills that you have to learn fast and master those skills. So these are the five skills that will help you to become successful online. The number one skill is you have to good at generating quality traffic, and you have to convert that traffic. And the third thing is you have to know like these automation tools, and how you can automate the complete online business process. And the next one is how you can build the list. Like list is like your email list, your YouTube subscribers, your Facebook chart list, or your podcast community members. And then you have to learn how to build a community. Like if you build a community, and if you solve your community or your customer problems, then you will have customers for life, so that you get continuous recurring income, and they will they'll be with always with you, and they will they will whatever you recommend or what you are coming, like whatever products or whatever services you provide, they're going to buy from you. So when they get benefit from you, when you are going to solve their problems. The third one is like these are the different kind of assets that you have to create. The first one is you have to create your blog, and then Facebook group, and the list, as I said, like your email list, your YouTube subscribers, getting those phone numbers, and then you have to create a YouTube channel or Instagram or podcast, or you have to have your own no um, mini courses or tripwire courses, that are very structured, which will solve your customers immediate problems. Or your if you are coming up and writing an ebook, that can be your asset as well. So now, like if you ask me like how can I do it all alone, like how can I be everywhere, how can I start my YouTube channel, Instagram, podcast, and everything, like this will be like too much task. Don't worry, like you can start with one, like you can start with a blog, and you can start with a YouTube channel, and then slowly you can focus on building your Instagram profile, and other Facebook group and your community. But if you ask me how you can do it all alone, then what you can do is you can focus on this content multiplication. So you have to come up with what are the questions your community, like what are the questions that your target market they have, like what are their immediate problems they have, how you can solve them. Like you have to find those content, you can find those content ideas by doing research on different there are so many tools, like you can use Quora, you can use Answer the Public, you can go and search um, other people articles, and you can search like what are the people what they are asking on the Facebook groups. You can do lot of research, and you can come up with what kind of questions your target audience have. So pick up the most important problems that they are facing, like the kind of problems they want to solve immediately. Like focus on those questions and create content around those questions. So I'll tell you like how you can do a keyword research using different free tools, and how you can come up with content ideas that you can generate different content pieces that you can distribute on all these platforms. But for now, the thing is like if you find what are the top 10 burning questions that your community, that your customers are facing, you can pick up those questions and create you can create a piece of content, like you can write a short paragraphs or short blog, and you can create the same piece of content that you have written on blog. You can create a video, and you can also make that video into 3 4 short pieces and publish or distribute on Instagram and on Facebook. Or you can do a audio content type and push it on the podcast. And you can also come up with exclusive in-depth answers for your customers, and send across to your community through emails. And then you can the same content like suppose if you are prepared a content around how you can build a profitable e-commerce store online with 50,000 rupees. So then like you might have come up with a 2 pages or 3 pages step by step process how you can set up a e-commerce store online in India under 50,000, and still you can become profitable. So you have to break that complete piece of content into different small videos, and uh, distribute on Instagram, on Facebook, and also try to identify what are the different questions that people are asking on Quora around this e-commerce store uh, uh, content, and then break it down and answer all those Quora questions. That's how you can build your assets online. Like you can build your YouTube, you can build your blog, you can create a beautiful value added content pieces and distribute on Instagram, Facebook, podcast, or you can come up with a very structured step by step guide, and make it as a ebook, and share with your community. Or you can still you can go advanced, and you can make it very simple for your audience, a step by step guide for beginners, and make it as a mini course or a tripwire course and sell it online. So these will become your content assets. So that's how you are going to become successful online. So if you like this video, hit that bell button, like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share more these kind of videos every day. So stay tuned. I'll see you in another video. Bye.